Shant, a while ago I told you that father is calling you outside. Why haven't you come outside?
Man, I forgot.
You forgot it. You have become lazy. Get up and come with me.
I told you I come in a while.
Again in a while. Get up and come with me right now.
Why are you being adamant about everything? I'm telling you I'll come in later. I don't want to meet dad.
Why you don't want to meet dad? And why are you being so much angry? Did something happen between you and dad? Tell me now.
Man, dad saw me smoking a cigarette.
When?
Just a little while ago when I went down.
Seriously? Father saw you having cigarette?
Do you think this is funny?
No.
So why are you laughing?
I felt like laughing, yaar. Just that's why.
Don't make fun of me, okay? I know that is why dad is calling me. I don't want to go to him.
We live in the same home. Till how long you will run away? You have to meet them.
So what can I do then?
Go and meet him once. If he will say you something, then say him sorry and tell him you won't repeat this again. In this age, he won't beat you, yaar. And if he will scold you, listen him. He will scold you for your good only. Come now.
Dad, you called me? I've been waiting for you for the last 20 minutes. I got an important call from the office, so I was talking to them. Do you have any work? Don't you know that? No, I don't know. Okay, if you don't know, then I'll tell you. Your mother and I are going to your sister's place for a few days. So we want ticket for that. So, did you want this from me? Why? What else? Is there anything else? No. What will be the booking date? Day after tomorrow. And return ticket? We'll tell you once we reach there. It has been a while since we met Rinky, so this time when we go, we'll stay for a few days. The son-in-law was also saying that if you come, then you should come to stay and do not leave in 2 days. Okay, Dad, I'll get you the tickets. Okay. Should I go? Yes, why not? No, I thought you had other work for me. No, I have nothing else to say. Do you have anything to say? No. Go. And listen, the further you stay away from bad things, the better it will be. You understand, right? What I'm saying? Yes, Dad. Come on, go.
Dad said nothing to you, yaar.
He said it all without saying anything.
Hey, why you didn't say him anything?
What do I have to say to him? He's not a child anymore. And I have said what I had to say. And I think he understands that.